may ano ba?
Baby.
Mommy, miss kita, promise. Love
Me
you.
too. See you next year.
Jamie.
Jamie! I'm coming home, honey. Kasama ako. Kasama. Joke. I love you, mister.
Okay. The hell was that, dude? Thick. English.
Jamie.
Hello?
Hi, John.
John.
I'll see you next year.
Hey, John.
What up?
We got some French fries here. And anyway,
Hi, Auntie. Hi, Dianita.
Hi.
Miss you.
Ante, reunion natin next year.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kailangan matuloy yun, Auntie.
Holy
Ha?
Week, isang bus ng ating ano.
Bahagi na kami ng shuttle bus.
But we'll